Right, today we're looking at the Triton portable oscillating spindle sander. Now this is an interesting one because it looks neither one thing nor another, but that in a way is its virtue, as I discovered, because you can use it just like this and run it down an edge to sand. And that is actually quite useful because you do get a nice 90-degree angle on that. And of course you've got the dust extraction and it's connected to a main, so you get enough power. Now, to make that a little bit more versatile so that you can do accuracy as well, if you care to put in what is effectively a little side guide, and just these go in, and I won't tighten them all the way in, but I just want to demonstrate the point, is that you can use those to run as edge guides so that the spindle doesn't dig in when you sand, and you can actually sand nice straight edges. Works very, very well actually. If you take that off again, you have the option to use this inverted, and again I won't set up the whole thing because this is extremely boring, but you put your rubber mat down so that provides some friction grip. You've got these to hold, and so you've got to do those on the appropriate edge, and you tighten those on. Right, and then effectively what you have is a small sander that you can use to shape small objects. Again, you can connect it to standard dust outlet so that all the dust is collected. Get 4 spindles altogether. Very easy to set up because you just unscrew that and change the spindles to the sizes that you want. So although it looks like an unwieldy beast, it's actually one of those ones that the more you use it, the more uses you can find for it. It actually becomes quite a useful bit of your toolkit. Okay, now this is the Triton oscillating spindle sander, and there's lots of good things to like about this. First of all, very simple control surface, control mechanism there, that's all sorted out. You get these in the box when you come, so you get 5 spindles altogether. Very easy to change. You just got to remember this is a left-hand thread, so you can change it. Underneath the table there's nuts so that you can change the angle. Clearly, if you change the angle, you also have to change that so that fits through, with the elongated thing, so you can get the angle that you need. I mostly use it upright, to be honest. I rather like the fact that you've got these 2 little storage pods on each side, even including the different sizes of washers that you need to accommodate the different sizes of spindles. It's great to keep everything in the same place and keep it neat and tidy, because there's nothing worse than scrabbling around in the sawdust on the bench to try and find all your bits. If you look at the back here, we've got a nice big dust extraction outlet, and it actually is really efficient. You need, if you connect it to a standard workshop vac, there's not much dust that gets away. I use a spindle sander a lot for shaping small items. These are some legs that I use for making shaker tables, and if I turn the machine around so that I can get access to the switch gear, you can see how you can have safe and easy shaping of all the different things that you need. Nice machine. The other thing, of course, is as the bit of the spindle wears, where you are there, you can turn it upside down so that you can use the other part of the spindle as well. And don't forget the left-hand thread, keep that on. And it has to be relatively tight to make sure that the spindle doesn't go round, so that the sanding sleeve doesn't go round on the spindle. But a nice bit of kit, and very, very useful in a DIY or even a small professional workshop.